essentials when building a medium-sized chicken coop along with a rough price range in dollars for each item. 1. Coop structure. A medium-sized coop for 8 to 12 chickens typically measures around 6 feet by 8 feet. Material needed: treated lumber, plywood, and hardware cloth. Price range: $300 to $800 depending on materials and quality. 2. Roofing. You will need corrugated metal roofing or asphalt shingles. Price range: $50 to $150 depending on size and material. 3. Nesting boxes. You require 2 to 3 nesting boxes for every 4 to 5 hens. Material needed are wood with hinges for easy access. Price range: $30 to $80 per nesting box. 4. Ventilation. Depending on your location, you require windows with adjustable vents or vents near the roof. Price range is about $20 to $50 for vents or windows. 5. Roosting perches. Material needed are sturdy wooden dowels or branches. Price range is $10 to $30 depending on size and number of birds. 6. Flooring. A good chicken coop should be easy to clean, and therefore materials for flooring are linoleum or removable trays with deep litter. The price range is $20 to $50 for flooring materials. 7. Security features. Hardware cloth for windows and doors. Locking mechanisms for doors. With a price range of $50 to $100 for hardware cloth and locks. 8. Feeders and waterers. Hanging or wall-mounted feeders and waterers. Price range: $10 to $30 per feeder or waterer. 9. Lighting. Optional but beneficial for winter egg production or depending with your climatic condition. LED or fluorescent lighting fixtures. The price range is $20 to $50 for lighting fixtures. 10. Insulation. Optional but recommended for cold climates. Insulating materials such as foam board or straw bales. The price range is $50 to $100 for insulation materials. These price ranges are approximate and can vary based on factors such as location, quality of materials, and local market prices. Additionally, costs may vary if you choose to DIY certain components or purchase pre-made coop kits. It's also essential to factor in additional costs for tools, hardware, and any customizations you may want for your chicken coop. Thank you for joining us today, and if this is your first time to Mbuvi Farm YouTube channel, please subscribe and like the video. Join me tomorrow as we discuss key feeding materials required on a day-to-day basis for good chicken farming. Bye-bye.